Wagwan YouTube, much love. It's Randy here. Um, honestly, I've been resting. I've woken up late. The stuff already. I got 7 of the chalices set up on the eBay thing. eBay is only allowing me to set up or establish 7 selling points. So going to see what I can do a little later for the remaining 3. But for now, in the description right below, guys, is the link to the eBay. So those who are interested, those who wanted it, it's finally here. Bamboo chalices are now available for auction. So it's auction time, people. Much love from Jamaica. Bless up. I have my chalice right here. We're gonna be puffing it throughout the auction. So much love and well go on everybody. What's up? I've been resting, trying to get back into the groove. Was supposed to wake up earlier and get a lot of stuff done, but as you can see, I still look a bit exhausted. But I'm here, feeling great, feeling awesome, and just ready to get this ball rolling. So thank you guys for your patience and much love. Let me see what's going on in chat. Bless up everyone. Oh, by the way, my love is in the background. She's not feeling well today, so she stayed home. So I got company. Okay, Bob. Alright, get some rest. So they're here. Much love. And well going, people. What's up, Midwest? Well, go on. Well, go on, Daniel Beetle. Daniel from Jamaica. Firebird, well, go on, my brother. And good day indeed, I said. Just here, got some rest. So I'm ready to get this thing on the road. And so the bamboo chalices, the link for these chalices are in the description. Along with getting to me, my email address is there. So just gonna have a good vibe. It's gonna be the first of Smoke from morning. I woke up from after Ben's stream, which was about Ben's stream started for me, or when I went on was about 1 o'clock this morning, 1 something a.m. Went to bed about 4, 6, I guess. and I just try to get some rest. So I'm gonna be smoking for the first time, chilling with you guys for the first time since the day. I had breakfast courtesy of my love. She's now resting, and I'm here for with you guys. So don't worry, she's not gonna complain. Say I'm not giving her too much attention or enough attention. She's feeling ill, so she gonna relax. Plus, she got enough love from this morning. As I said, much love to everyone. Thanks for being here. We're gonna play some music, and I got herb, and also before I forget, where did I put that? I had the opportunity to link with somebody today who has basically Keef capsules. Um, it's around there, so give me a sec. Yeah, this is, and the funny thing is, I haven't made a lot of food. I don't have to put it up there, and it's so really small. Did I put it in my pocket? No. I put it somewhere. It is somewhere. And I'm seeing to this place. And the ironic factor, I just found it as I sat down. I was about to give up. So never say never, people. Although I just said it twice. Yeah, this is a Keef capsule. So yeah, we're moving up here in Jamaica. I think it's the sugar capsules. Yeah, and it's rich Keef. I'll give them that. It's not green. It has a golden brown look to it. So this is good enough Keef for me. So I'm going to test that out a little later, see if it gets me well medicated. As I said, going to be dropping links in my Instagram for those who want Keef capsules and stuff like that. So much love, I said. A link in the description for the chalices. For those who don't know what the chalice are new to the chalice, this is the chalice. A bamboo pipe overall, bamboo dab, bamboo bong pipe, everything in one. So, yeah, man. Can take up of fight soon, but let me go ahead and roll up. I haven't rolled anything for morning. And bless and cheers. And just tell everyone this is where it is. I'll be going on the stream for quite a while. So let's see. By the way, how is everyone? How is everyone today? Although I'm completely out of it, I want to know how you guys are. So, how is everyone? How is everyone doing? How are you doing? Okay, feeling better-ish. Bless you. I feel wiped out though. Eh, Much love, full bore for that. I tried my best. I'm doing anything like this, so hope you guys like it. As I said, description for those who want to get their hands on the chalices. This morning, when I went out and looked at the plants and then I looked at my seed tray, I was like, I'm going to drop a special gift for everyone that participates in the chalice thing. For those who get the chalice, I'm going to get a special gift with the chalice. So let me give you guys a little hint. Then again, it's gonna be a full hint because wow, it's all good. Okay, so where was I? So yeah, I got a lot of seeds. I got seeds to stone people, build a community, reforest Jamaica, and more. So who knows? Maybe able to give away some souvenir Jamaican seeds. So let's see what happens. And again, if all goes well, knowing all the God steer or universe steer our life is, I may even get a link on some premium seeds soon. So who knows? Might get seeds to the chalice order or work out the logistics with the guys. So you getting seeds as well. And so yeah, this is the chalice. This is the small. This is the small natural. The first one on the list, the small natural. It's somewhat similar to. Then again, it is similar to my baby right here. And then you have this seal, the small painted. This one is painted, and looking good. Little art to your smoking implements. Do tonight. Ooh, gonna be my first joint of the day. By the way, did I wake up and smoke? So that's gonna be my first joint for the day. Gonna be my first smoke for the day. Hmm? So go on, everybody. What's going on, my lovely people? Although it's auction, and then again, I'm gonna be screen sharing soon. I'm just rolling this up, getting the vibe started. We're gonna listen to some music. We're gonna chill. We're gonna talk. As Dr. Wiggle loves to say, we're gonna have a reasoning. Every time on a live stream in Jamaica, we are reason. We have a sit down and just relax, have a good time. Get the chalices bumped up, pushed off. So tell your friends, tell those who want it, and we're all going zero, aka fill the pipe. We're all going, my brother. There's something else? Should I have built it with a filter? I think I can drop the filter. Oh yeah. With the bamboo chalices, you guys get bamboo rolling tips. Bamboo rolling tips. 5 bamboo rolling tips. Each chalice, 5 bamboo rolling tips. Awesome. Hmm? I'm gonna put it here though, but I kind of gotta snip off. Can't be bothered. I'll put the tip in next time I roll another joint, which is gonna be soon after this one. So, cheers everyone, Ugi Wawa, and much love, bless up, more fire from Jamaica. Wow, thank you. And also, you guys get ashtrays. So, go show the eBay site what's really going on the eBay. So, let me share my screen. Okay, so here we got the eBay site. I was only able to set up around 7 of these. Got people viewing and watching it already. So yeah, we got the large. This one is the large right over here. Over to the far right. And so with it, you get your stickers. You get your stickers, bamboo rolling tips, ashtray, the kochi itself, the bamboo tubes, and that's how a bamboo chalice looks like. Give the people them visuals so them can see what they're buying, and so you guys can see me popping on it throughout the stream. And this is the large. So yeah, you guys have 2 days in 12. How many hours? 2 days, 14 hours until the sale ends. So much love. Got the next large chalice. You got the medium. The one second to the right is the medium. Not a medium here. Medium again, and two smalls. So currently we have two smalls, three mediums, and two large for sale for auction on eBay. So for those who want one, most definitely go ahead. Go ahead, hit up your friends, tell them, say, yo, you're gonna get a Jamaican handmade chalice, a handmade bong made of bamboo, all of that good stuff. And the links are in the description below, along with my email, so you can message me at any time and we can talk about what's going on or whatever. But information towards the chalices down in the description. You get a bamboo chalice, you get 5 rolling tips, you get an ashtray, and you get 3 individual stickers. I pull up the song, yeah. You have to enjoy yourself with the stream sometime. But not tonight. I love the cartel, yeah. Aww. Go on loyal to the soil. By the way, fill the pipe. You've been here, you're a regular now, so guess what? You've been turned into a mod, so you're a part of the mod club, the mod crew. Got a blue wrench in front of your name now. What's up, Team S? Well, go on, Tim. I said it's auction time. The chalices are ready on eBay, and the link is in the description. Tell everybody, make everybody know that where it is here. It is finally ready. Only got some of them put up on my eBay. Mod gang for real. How to be a mod in Randy Gaston stream? Become a regular. If I see you often, let it be noted, you're gonna be a mod because you are important. Like everybody knows that I'm important. Once you put in the love, the time, the support, you're most definitely gonna be a mod. Most definitely gonna get your shout outs. And you know you're gonna get your appreciation. Coming soon, I'm not just gonna do giveaways for contests or you guys have to do something. I'm gonna give away um most present, most active in chat, all of that stuff. Make you guys feel appreciated for just taking the time out of your day to be here with me because I really appreciate it. And much love worldwide, much love from Jamaica. No, my sinus is draining. No tears yet. Man is no shaky warrior. Man is steel made out of titanium, but it bunks off. Yeah, man. We have a truck on the road. 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 We have one big For those who don't know, this is soca carnival music. Hmm? You're in bed. No problem, Lyle. Be safe on the road. Get your bills done. And stay blessed. So, yo, best up to everyone in here. Much love for the support. I said, link to the chalices. I'll be hitting my chalice soon. So, link to the chalices will in the description below. Okay, I just saw this. I got a bid already on one of the mediums. Somebody just put $70 on a medium chalice. And it is Midwest Outlaw. Bless up, my brother. Yeah, man. Midwest in the thing. Midwest start off the war. So it seems like he's getting a chalice already. No one's wanting to contest him for it. So yeah, man. Midwest, bless up for that. At the end of this, if you're the winner, which I really, really hope because you've been wanting one of these chalices, I'll definitely hook you up. And also, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna give away 10 seeds. I'm gonna tell souvenir seeds, donate 10 souvenir seeds towards the chalice thing. So you're gonna be getting 10 random Jamaican strains from me as well. I just feel nice. I am excited. This is finally done, and I want to put as much as I can into this. Bless up to everyone. So your souvenir seeds will be sent off as well. Why? You have to air quote them, not true. Legally, I cannot tell anyone that I'm selling them seeds to plant. So I donate seeds as a souvenir. Let me see if any more soca song. Keep the vibe up and running. So for the first time, soca vibe on the stream. Okay, and for Midwest, this is the medium that you just basically place the bed for. Really nice big baby. Medium and small can definitely see the difference. Not true. Yeah, man. Don't hit it too hard. She slaps back. She slap people back. She make you sit down and know yourself. I know, right? I remember a couple live streams where I puff on this and I say, yeah man, puff, puff, puff. And when it finally hit my brain, see a moment me I question if I'm gonna die on the stream and these people go and see me. Got me uber fresh. Well go on Lemon, much love my brother. Lemon the ultimate mod. No shaky warrior camp. It's gold and burgundy. But now I'm going with a red team, so my sheets are gold and burgundy. I said, Babe's in bed resting. She's not feeling 100. Hmm? Where did you put the extension? Let me go. No, did you take it out of the room? Yeah, it's like, you lay down. And how was in the sunset? Yes. Gorilla Grower Guru. Much love. Bless up. No, no, honestly, I woke up for Ben's show. I'd asked her to wake me up at 10. Yeah, I asked her to wake me up at 10. And we both fell asleep. And then at 12, I woke up right on time for Ben's show. So she got some rest, but she's not feeling 100. So get some rest. Hey, boy. Mm-hmm. You and me both, girl. The first time I saw Lemon's name, I was like, Lemon OG. And yes, my Empress Divine that. Seal. Seal. My Empress. Else we got. Oh, you remember this one? Really? Okay, and a carnival baby then hush. That motherfucker buys icy. No, no. You should see the music video. Yeah? You don't remember the song? Oh, come on. Okay. My girl, when this up play carnival time, you see a bunch of people, why not hell? And then you see the crowd just go so, dip, 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 dip. Yo, we're going carnival next year. Next year, yes. Carnival season done. Next year, carnival must reach. My carnival body might make you put me on a lock and key, so hush. Wagwan Brown Dwarf. Much love, my brother. In the chat. And as said, the link to my bamboo chalices, these babies right here, is in the link in the link below. So yeah, bamboo chalices. And Ray, he was in Brazil for Carnival. Borndorf was in Brazil for Carnival.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Ray.
Yeah. Go to Trinidad and Tobago next time. And she why not tell
No, Nikki.
Nikki?
Remember the airlines earlier?
Yeah, but she regularly goes to Trinidad. Where does she go for Carnival? I know she goes to Trinidad for Carnival from time to time. Nikki goes, a couple artists. Well, no, Amber Rose was down here. Yeah, down here for Carnival. Black China was here as well. Even Safari, Nikki's ex guy. Carnival draw people like there's no tomorrow. No worries, Gorilla. Cool running is always welcome here. It's Jamaican. I can't dispute it. It's a stereotype, but I can't dispute it. I grew up watching Cool Runnings. Brandorf, next time you're in Jamaica, hit me up. And next time for Carnival season, oh God, you're in for a treat. It's been a while since I've really partake in the Carnival festivities. It is right. Trust me, waistline used to on point. Daggering always up. Daggeration to the nation. Lona? Different vibe. This is a Caribbean vibe. This is a soca vibe. Keep the energy running for the action. I said one of the mediums got their bid on the medium. Midwest Outlaw got that. So my brother have himself a chalice in hand already. On that. Yeah, there was really a bobsled team, yeah man. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. Me not bobsled though. Other from the claustrophobic aspect of it, me being squeezed into this thing, I go how much miles per hour. You know, lean. Oh, like Fat Joe. So I'm going lean back. Randy lean. Yo, I would be at the front screaming my ass off, like, yo.
You would have to go to training.
Yes. No, I still gonna be at the front, of course. I'm gonna be like, who not lean? Who not the right mind not lean? Yo, Trevor, oh the blood clot there. Mr. Lean to the left. Lean back like Fat Joe. Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, remember what happened in the movie? That thing derailed. So imagine me derailed in our bobsled thing. Yo,
Do they know Florida?
yes, they do. So in our aspect, if that thing, I'm small and breakable. You see, I'm a compact.
Really?
Okay, if that thing fly off the truck with me, either me go and fly out of it, or when them ask, Randy, you're dead? You just hear me say, yeah, man. Me see the light. Pass me a space door, but me see the light.
Wow. This is sugar water.
Me can see sugar and water game. Oh, God. Honestly, if that ever.
No, you just leave it. A piece of bread. No, instead of piece of bread, it
Where
actually.
you take this
I
thing
want
for?
spliff.
Where you take this thing for? Piece of KFC chicken with it. Remember the video with the guy who dropped down in a KFC and them a squeeze lime in his mouth?
What? This is like
Yes, orange.
orange. No, go for orange. You know, you say for lunch, chop down. And get orange, then you chop down.
Oh God. So what happened is there's this video of this guy that basically fainted in a Jamaican KFC, and someone got an iron, squeezed the juice in his mouth, and this one woke up and be like, if I didn't want orange, I would have go to the market, want piece of chicken, and I couldn't take piece of chicken from the fry give me. So my brother decided to say one piece of KFC, drop down a KFC and see if I'm going to give him food. No food was given, but orange juice, yes. And see me, I'm not the only one. Girl, I say I've used seeing a bobsled track. Me in a compact metal thing. And it's a go shoom and
Little Einstein. Alright, let me see. Hold on to my head.
so I go cuss every time I come out of the thing, not true.
Turn to me.
So every time I step out of the bobsled thing, man, I say with the black. Look here, I don't want to go back. Send me back to Jamaica, me I freeze ya. You care, no wonder me not relax. Me here refuse to grow. Anyway, thank you guys for being here. Pushing the auction. The auction is for the bamboo chalices. These babies right here. A bong, a vaporizer, and with the attachment, the bamboo attachment, it's gonna be a dab rig as well. So 3-in-1 smoking implement made of 100% bamboo and clay. And just a great item to have, and it's handmade from Jamaica. The links to the chalices are in the show's description, the channel description below this video right here, the different eBay links. Midway's sorry about that. Midwest Outlaw basically bidded for one of the mediums, so the first one is out. So much love. Give me a second. And I never get a day to rest. Somebody just hit me up. It's a Jamaican artist, Dino, musician. We're going to do some work together. Plus, I'm going to go back into the fire spinning thing for the video shoot. Oh, at this day up here. Selector, pull up that, pull up that, pull up that. Oh yeah, bless up everyone.
I know this.
Africa. So Midwest, and trust me, I'm very excited. Nobody can touch her right now. Piccolo, the link is in the description. So most definitely go in and do your thing, brother. So park my split for a second. Put it in park. Drop the emergency brake. Time for some chalice vibing. Get the chalice some love. I'm gonna see why me a chalice and why this thing is hot. Yes, the chalice is hot, babe. Chalice is hot. Too hot. But man's is steel. Man's is titanium. Okay, my dragon, I take this thing so you don't see me breathe fire. Always a puff out smoke. Always a puff out that smoke. Man's is a dragon. So soon show you guys everything that you're gonna get. Gonna blaze up the chalice, continue the vibe. And we got a bid in for one of the large bless up, bless up, and bless up. Definitely deserving of a chalice hit. Where's the scissors? So one of the large for going for 85, the starting bidding price has been purchased. Much love indeed. And the large bid. So this is the large. Big Bumbo. That is the name of the large. So we got Big Bumbo right here. We got the medium. And we got the small. So this is the small. And we got the natural small. One that hasn't been painted, all that natural bamboo-ness. All the natural bamboo-ness. And these have been coated, so it's also waterproof and all that good stuff. The bamboo has been sprayed, so it's gonna age properly. So that bamboo seat smells good, though. So bamboo chalices, you guys are gonna be getting stickers with it. Stickers. What else? Rolling tips. You guys are gonna get rolling tips. And an ashtray, bamboo ashtray. So bless up to everyone, much love. So in the link we have 2 large, 3 medium, and 2 small. Gonna see if I can post up the remaining three out of the 10, but eBay only gave me the option to set up seven. So seven available. You guys got option, got choices. Jumping at it. The road. These are exclusive, and I just recently decided to add additional value. Won't be dropping some random Jamaican strains, 10 of them in the order. So you're gonna get some souvenir Jamaican seeds. So bless up for that and much love. Just readying up the chalice. So the natural looks like my baby right here, which I'm gonna puff on. So bless up to everyone here. Much love for the support regarding the chalice endeavor and everything. Bless up. Bless up the American one. And for Gorilla Grower Guru, this is the chalice. I'm gonna show you how it's hit and everything. So it's gonna be a mixture piccolo. It's gonna be a mix. I have some strains from white ice to some skunk. I don't know what I got. Everything just got mixed up. So guess what? I just gonna run it and and give you guys. I can't grow everything. I can't grow everything. So might as well I give away the seeds while I'm at it. I don't got that much spaces yet. But there's a weed soca song. Where is it? Midnight Cruise by Olan Touge. Alright. Cheers, everyone. Move over. Okay, no problem, Piccolo. Thing, I'll definitely talk to you guys on the winners of the chalice. That's true. So I'll definitely talk to you guys about it. That's the additional value. So that added value is gonna be sent separately. So to avoid all of that foolishness with customs, I don't know why they're fighting out a plant. Really, seeds are now illegal. seeds that grow, like nature that grows outside, really. But yeah, I'll definitely hook it up so you guys don't. The chalice goes, you get your chalice, and you get the seeds afterwards. You know, love. Like if I send the seeds with the chalice, they might cut open the thing to see if there is like some places, some customs will literally be like no seeds, no nothing. Them find it and them stuff there. Foolishness. But I'm gonna send off the chalice then. Just start out the chalice, then just send out the season after. But it don't make no sense for them, I do. And don't worry, Piccolo. I said, I'm a man of the people. You see how much things me I give away. Except Mooman. Me not give a Mooman. She's mine. Mine and mine alone. One up, yes. Yeah, gonna definitely work with you guys on this. Poor government. And how you liking the chalice, girl? Wow. Wow. And wow. By the way, thank you very much, Lemon. LMG, the real boss, firing as always. Man's not hot. No shake warrior. Best of for all the postings, best of for everything. And much love to everyone here. Just continue the vibe. My chalice come like oh knock me down already. So be warned, the chalice don't run prone. You have to be a steel warrior to be able to manage the chalice. I can't wait to start vaporizing off of mine. I'm going to show you guys in videos how to make your own vaporizing coal for the chalice, coconut, and just have a great time with it. Aspect is so smooth, so clean. You get to taste your terpenes within your plant, and one should have a chalice in their life. And the real big boss himself, Mr. Montano, Marshall Montana. Okay, so to explain the vape bang combo, as you can see, I'm basically hitting it straight by flame like a bang, clearing it through the cardboard and everything. I will. They've been working well for me, Gorilla, so don't worry. Once I'm on track with it, no worries. No worries. I don't fear anything. This is gonna work well and only positivity in this. So I said the vape bang combo. You got your clay bowl. This is how it looks. As I said, I broke mine being clumsy. So it's a lot bigger. So what you do, you stuff your weed down in the clay bowl. And to do the vaping function, you basically get one of these with it. This is a clay mesh. It's not easily breakable, so you're good to go. And you can wash it off. For me, when I want to clean my chalice, warm water, and you're good to go. Warm water with a little bit of salt in it. Yeah, I like drinking with salt water, nice. But yeah, that's just me. So yeah, drop this in here. Fit right and perfect. You put your coal on top, your hookah coal or the homemade bamboo and the homemade coconut shells that I'm going to show you guys. And you put it on top, and while you're puffing on it, the heat is just going to be transferring to the weed. So you're not going to be combusting your weed, and not going to be burning. You're just going to be activating the THC as the heat passes along the herb. Then it's going to be filtered here through the bamboo pipe in the water so it's as clean as possible. And then you just puff, puff, and puff. Trust me, I remember back in the day where I was chilling with the Rastas in Nanook, Rasta Team Bar here in Jamaica, Kingston to be exact. And they were just passing around the steamers, and it felt light, like my lungs, as much as I was pulling in, it felt like I was pulling in air. But when it all hit and my body just soak it up, oh my god. At a point in time, I wonder if the rest of them they're gonna really get me too high and make me tap out. But as I said, Mama didn't raise no quitter. Just on time. So yeah, so that's the vape function. So make everybody know it's available. A bamboo bong vaporizer, and said I'm going to drop piece here. You're going to get it so you can put it down here and drop your quartz dab rig thing in, your dab attachment in the glass one. So just put it in there and warm it up, and you can dab out of the chalice as well. Imagine dabbing out of a wooden rig. You're getting a wood rig that will last, trust me. I've seen bamboo chalices last for years. Rasta man have them bamboo chalice put on in them house and then just take it out and say, yeah man, at time. So you're getting a great product. I'm so grateful for the love and support for this. And I'm glad for the team. I'm grateful for my team, the work that we put in. You guys are gonna get a good product. Thank you guys, and let me hit this again. Best up from Jamaica. Want to see how much smoke I can chug? That was a lot. And that is correct, full bore. The warranty is 1 year, since we're talking about 1 year. So if there's anything wrong with the chalices, immediately hit me up in my email. Show me the defect, and I'll definitely get back to you with either a replacement part or something. No problem, brother. And then the thing about the chalices, hit me up. I'm here to answer the question. So you're basically talking to the seller. It's not like you're going into a store when you're done. It's just a store. You're talking to the guy that made them, slaved over them. So if anything goes wrong, you can come back to me. I'll definitely get back to you. I'm a consumer myself. I believe in customer service, and with that, I'll give you guys the best. No worries. Anything go wrong, hit me up. I'll get the replacements in. I'll get you guys sorted out. And we'll go and chaotic much love in the place. Okay, what's next? By the way, I think you know this Charlie Blacks. Ladies. Yo, hear this. What if you use the chalice and get too high, drop the chalice into a fire, and it burns? Do you get a free replacement chalice as the first chalice was faulty as it got me too high?
Wow.
Oh god, if that happens, I'll send you one just because. Just because. But if it got you too high, then I'm doing my job. I am doing my job. No, but the man right with that. The man said, "No shake, no, you're a shaky warrior." Then at full grown, and we will mock you forever. So yeah, any get too high, drop the chalice in a fire and make it burn up. Me send you a replacement, but you're gonna get a certificate with it. King Shaky Warrior. Where's the Shaky Warrior sticker? Yeah. Yo, I will send packs of these. I will send packs of these. No Shaky Warrior. The constant reminder to life. No shakiness in the camp. And for mass 420, the chalice is basically like this right here. It is like a bong, because let me show you. I'm hitting it like a bong. Yeah, but also, as you can see from here, I kind of broke mine and comes with the thing, so I kind of have my little shakiness too. But Yeah, I can't complain. Shaking is the all about. Well, it never too shaky. At least we can still use my kochi. It's bigger, so you can have the clay mesh inside. With the clay mesh inside, you put your hookah coal. Coals I'm gonna be teaching guys how to make on my channel, and you can vaporize your herb. Also, I'm gonna be sending with the first 10. 7 are up now. The link is in the description. As I said, they're gonna be going out with also a tent. So what will happen? You'll have a piece of bamboo that attaches to this piece. So much copyrights to this song. So yeah, have a bamboo attachment that fits on here, but you can fit like the Quarks banger attachment in the 14 millimeter in. My bad. Fit the 14 millimeter attachment in, and you can dial off of it. So what this is, it's a bong, a vaporizer, and a dabbing all in one. And happy 420 from Jamaica. It's 420 here, so yo, blaze up the chalice time.
You want some juice?
Man, it's tea.
It looks like he's still.
Happy 420?
It's very good.
It's burning. Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Get this job. Man's a steal. Hmm. Okay, so 14 by 14.4. Okay. I'll just shave it down to that diameter. Man's not hot, he's high. Yes, I'm high. Whoa, that, oh God. My left lung sent a message to my brain saying, no, man, I am fast. I am high. Buckingham chalice with the Empress Divine sticker on it. The Buckingham chalice. Have you heard look at that dude? Oh, no, no, no. I haven't. I want to see if I can play it. Look at that dude. Look at that dude's song. Eh? Okay, so it seems like a Rose compilation. I'm definitely going to check this out. But in the matters of music, I'm going to play the most trending song right now. Well, you know, the most trending song, and honestly, I don't know why. The song does have its vibe. The song does have its vibe, not gonna lie, but my God, man. I think you know which song.
Big
Shot, the one and only. Man's not hot. Never hot. Chalice never hot. Wow. I have to appreciate the song. I'll go on Jack Lee. Gorilla, I'm gonna make you a mad. Hit me that song. Right now, I'm taking song selections. Anything goes that can make me play it on YouTube. Please, guys, remember the copyrights. Lemon says it's an embarrassment to the UK. The song.
Oh my god.
I'm dying over here. Just sauce. Rice sauce. This is so good. My kidneys. Oh, oh God. The song is amazing. The song is amazing. Oh, I'm dying.
You were high.
Yes, I am. I am very high. Uh, yo, blame it on Buckingham Chalice. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yo, King, where's the King Highmanship? So royal highitude. I mean, I am indeed high, thanks to the chalice. And this song just gave me a, oh God, I needed that laugh. I'm sorry. No one's comment about it being an embarrassment to you. Okay, just slap me. Like I saw it and couldn't hold it back. So guys, don't take me to dinner parties where I have to act civil. I'll fail you. I'll fail you. If something funny happens, I'll be the first one laughing. Oh God. Yeah, I'm back now. What's up, Palm Side? So I'm gonna check out Gigs, the Essence. Check that out, hopefully. I don't get kicked off of YouTube. I'm gonna get the next selection from Gorilla. I said, much love, Farmside. Bless up in the place, my brother. Part of the 420 Resistance family, my sponsor, and just overall, my brother. Much love to have you in the place, and always great to have your support. They were blocking bare, but now I'm rocking here on a rocking chair. Yeah, the block is here, yeah, the block is here. At the top of stairs, nigga, Rocky's here. Yeah, man. This can go on. Gigs can go on. They ain't got a fucking clue. Another nigga gone, that's like the 12th sentence. Changes.
shit's much different from the dangers. Shit looks different from the neighbors. Your shit's much different, it was dangerous. That was man's bridging, now we're strangers. We bought back 7 niggas saviors. I watch man begging niggas save us. And that man's never put in wages. I'm mentally fucked. I'm mentally scarred, I'm meant to be up. I'm meant to be high, I'm meant to be chuffed. Found my food for my life, I'm mentally stuck. Man, I jump out my chair, you mentioning buck. They just lock niggas out, they sent for the cuffs. Had to call on my girl and sent for my stuff. Found the day I walked out, it went through my guts. So in charge, everybody's watching, niggas, so it starts. Everybody's watching, thinking, oh, it starts. Everybody's showing cards. But that's that.
Yo, Dr. Chalice. Yes, yes.
The man's just looking like a flash chat. D-square jacket and a flash cap.
Light it up and puff it up.
I came for that. I paid for this. I changed for this. I never left. I stayed for this.
Light it up and puff it up.
I do this for my niggas that are stuck in jail. I do this for my niggas that got up and fell. I do this for my brothers, nigga, fuck a cell. Lord, thank you for your blessing, man. Every bloody morning, nigga, gotta get that blessing, fam. Gotta bring that message, fam. Peanut butter sticky, get me out that message, jam. Them just simple shoes, what do they that special, man? It was them pecker dudes jumping out like pecker, man. Old school. Smoking on that method, man. Man was in the trap, working all long, it was late. You was in a bar out with a blonde and a mate. Bag of dust in the whip, it was on, it was bait. Man would quickly pass through, say I'm gone and I skate. I was sleeping before, now it's on, I'm awake. I ain't answering for nothing, I want it, I take.
I like that. That went well. I like, yo, I like that song there. I almost had me freestyling. Call me out, so no, not yet. Gotta get higher before I start dropping bars. Gigs featuring Popcorn. Oh, go there, youth. Time's ticking.
In the kitchen with Kentucky fried chicken. In the ride with the hottest shit, but I ain't kissing. Trying to hide up the pussy bucket, I ain't fishing. Man, the rise at the bucket, nigga, I ain't dissing. Tell a man to his face bucket, I ain't bitching. But fuck it back to the kitchen, nigga, fine whipping, nigga, whipping, nigga, wide shipping. Why listen? Nine, man, the boy listen. Man, the ride with that 79, boy listen.
Things are going nice. Much love, everyone. Blessings in other place. In a second.
Yeah, what a difference. Old school up in the last missions. Old school I see online pictures. Old school niggas couple wild sisters. Man step back and made a wide distance. Night time a nigga ride vicious. White pictures, white slippers. Chess game a nigga slide bishops. This is big business. Little off the top, that's a quick skimmage. I hard, but you're a bit timid. I'm just waiting on the big finish. Straight jeans, we got fit skinny. She want a peanut punch, I grab a quick Guinness. Bareback, I got the big gymnast. Popcorn, I'm with the sick killings.
Yeah, the kitty, them a killer dog. I mean, you don't be with me spinner dog. Man a kill, man a killer, man a sinner dog. And do the man a yard and we mother blood. You know play like that, me know not tree a car. You get finger play with the trigger hard. It's supposed to head with a zigger dog. We can't talk with a bigger dog. Nicky, I know the I'm a fucking thing right now. Oh, no, give me chatting on your face. Give me, what's a chatting on your face? Kai cool.
Nightmares, give these niggas a stairs. Jokers, niggas are serious. Everybody's shut up, posting, chilling in the stream. Everybody's got that pistol. Couldn't get
Yeah, man, on the stream now. Oh God.
Everybody wants something. Everybody's got
You abandoned the stream, you couldn't hold it down for me? Hmm? No, you're in bed, you're not feeling well. Rest up everyone, thank you for patiently waiting on me. I was helping someone in here, we're doing some work. So, rest up. Wait, drawbreaks. I run up in a something. Not even know the song and the song I moved too hot. Excuse me. Turn on the light. It's getting a bit dark. Need to work on the lighting in my room. So gigs are going with things. Much love to everyone. So I could go and change up the vibe again. Let me see what's going on in chat. If I got any more requests. Yeah, man. Got another request here. And this is from Gorilla Guru.
I'll be standing the form of bread, born out of the floor, where the spider makes his bed out of the carcasses she caught. She's got that good head, me, I got dandruff. She wears a smile, and me, I wear hair. Yo, wait a minute, say, how about a little truth? You couldn't save yourself if you had a cape and a phone proof. The roof is on fire, the floor is underwater. The fishing rod, the bacon ain't that bother. And this guy hovers up above the highway in a chopper. I'm down here having songs for the law.
Okay.
Corner up, brother. My other hand is some jam escape, but I appreciate it on back pocket. There you go, in another year left clear on the concrete valley, the murder silhouettes. With a budget to happy for the cigarette. My soul stuck in the mud, absorbing me. Cause when I watch it, water sticking clockwork venom. Wanted at the door to my sideways spinning, but I slipped down to problem. Nothing up in the carbon base, common garden goblin. I'm drowsy, drifted by the lousy virgin every night like luminous. That flow kiss the sin.
Basically, you copy it from the search bar. Just copy it and paste it in the chat. I'm gonna lie, this is going hard. And most of these individuals look European. Not saying white, they look European, but they're going hard. So next song is by, who sent this one? It's Parchment Harvest. So this one is Curious Eye, Topsy Turvy Old Road. Not bad. Let me see what I say. Oh lord. Yeah man. That the kind of vibe.
So many civilizations have arisen. So we used to history as we call them. So leaders of today, beware, I'm certain the over. Things don't turn around. 1 minute you're up, next minute you're down. Careful what you do.
Pull up for that song, yeah. Select a pull up. Select a pull up.
So many civilizations have arisen. So we see history as we hold them on.
And Parchment and Palmside have been made mods, so mod powers have been activated.
1 minute you're up, next minute you're down. Careful what you do now. In my phone, time to be over. It's going round and round and round and round. No matter how hard you try, different places show different phrases. Play your game of misbehaving, misleading. Oh yeah, oh yeah, so many civilizations have arisen. I'm so used to we recorded the longest.
And much love. We got another bid on this small one. Best of for that. It's a Chalice hits round. Come on, people, any more good songs? Keep the music flowing, people. We're getting on the vibe. I remember something that going to not shot me in the copyrights. And thank you guys for the support regarding the auctions. Remember, the link is in the description below. We got 3 out already. 3 people have bid on the small, the medium, and the large. So, I said this is a small that has been bidden on, the small natural. It's like my baby right here. We got the medium that has been bidden on, looking nice with its Rasta colors. And where is the big bumbo? The big bumbo has been given a home. So much love to those that have been bidding. Much love for those that have been giving the support. And bless up. So we got another song selection. First, we're gonna go with Parchment Harvest with 1 minute. Europe the next year down. Okay. No, I didn't think I hollered at Diego. I'll be on for the 3 days, so I definitely gonna get to him. I said this is an auction, so those that have been bidding now, yeah, they've secured their spot. If no one wants to jump in, well then good. On. So yeah. Okay, this seems to be heavily copywritten, so I can't touch that one. Parchment. Yeah, definitely gonna get to who I need to get to. Oh, that was a song, so I can go on to Lemon GF. Smoke, big. I don't even know that word, so let me see here. Do I got it? Do I got it? Do I got it? I got it. No, I don't got it. I having to work a mouse. Not bad. Coordination skills still on point. Yay, cannabis. Score 1 for cannabis, 0 for anything else. Big, nasty smoke. Okay.
I just wanna smoke. I just wanna smoke.
Me too.
I just wanna smoke the pain away. I just wanna smoke the pain away. Life's so complicated. Used to be black and white. Used to see smiley faces. Now I see mommy cry. Love is a battlefield. All on the gully side. I'm living when I'm doing wrong, and I'm dying when I'm doing right. This can't be life. I pray, but I can't see light. I can't sleep at night. So my mind don't stop. It keeps going tick, tick, tick. My mind's doing overtime. I can't deal with these thoughts of mine. God, please save this soul of mine. Send me an angel.
Wow.
Long day, long night. Praise Judge, everything is alright. Long day, long night. In the neck where everything is beats. It's the man who's known to be late. Bang man in the face. We drive the bang like select. Man's on the road like a bus man. Needs better pay their ticket. WKD, my flow's wicked. Old school like
What's up, Lemon Jeff, for the song? Can definitely vibe to this.
I can fill up a house with it. I give it 8 weeks, then I bounce over rounds with it. American football style, that's how we touch down with it. And pop rounds with it. Man, know them all, they need to get down with it. Long day, long night. Praise Judge, everything is alright. Long day, long night. Niggas trying to fuck up my damn high. I just wanna smoke the pain away. I ain't got no words right now, I'm trying to say. I just wanna smoke the pain away. I ain't got no words right now, I'm trying to say. I just wanna smoke. I just wanna smoke. I just wanna smoke the pain away. I just wanna smoke the pain away.
Best up for that song there. Now let's see what else we can play. I'm gonna play one song because I want to hear it. Then I'm gonna play some Chronics. I want to listen to some Chronics right now and just ease it back. Mellow the vibe. Approaching the 2 marker. So some lady LaShore, UK female that I really do rate. So anyone wanna hear from her to I surrender it, I shall props on Jamaica Mandeville.
Check this. Your baby mom's got 10 kids. Techless, like a bigger impact than Brexit. Looks too much expensive. You cash out, no tetanus. Put them in a place that's Tetris. Thank you, talk to your wretched. Who do you think you are? I'm a bad man from the island. You know how to pull tweets. But build the house, they flush the toilet. You're my heart smelly. Why not touch the kids up? Whoa. The bow down, damn it. No fake. Now I challenge you, be it don't connect. Then neither will we. So please don't get no wild thoughts, cause you're not with me. Look, Kylie, you weren't that could stop. I made her burn like Ocean. Forgot to turn that cooker off. I beat the girl them sugar. I beat the man them sugar. You need to calm down, fella. I'll make you up, me river. Push like will knock you up, my brother.
That's true. The Queen speech thing is her thing, and that's how I found out about her. Female friend of mine showed me this artist, and I was like, yeah, man, I can't vibe to her. And then I just anticipated the Queen speeches more than anything else. But she go on. Yes, I can hear the difference in accents, trust me. You can hear it here in Jamaica as well. Although it's one straight thing, you can hear the difference based on where most people are grown or just where they are accustomed. So geography or where you're located helps determine your speech and slangs and stuff like that.
No lie, no lie, no lie, you know. Please don't take no shots at me. We need more gun control. Need to control. I'm the queen, you know that's right. Don't take care for no jokes, my pal. Been a good jab, I'm so damn bad. Trust me, swear down, I know Roman shot for the boss. So never get I'll make the place go. Yeah, she did that. Hairline one, quick snapshot. Never want to move these shot. Oscar the man off the Nobody can tell me nothing, no, 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 no way. No way. Nobody can tell me nothing, no, 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 no way. No way. You need to spray your armpit, just thinking of the place. What a disgrace. I hit them up like,
Yeah, I just love the bass line with it. I ain't gonna lie, she doing her thing. And this is the first Queen speech that I listened to that really made me interested. Thank you, YouTube, for behaving.
Just dance man, like your family, your fam, your family. And yo, better than I'm on the roads, have a back, living in these flats, Ramadan, cause it's going down, I'm a latch, I'ma keep it short, have a rack, Queen Isha, a rain, and a rack, take it off, it's real, never back, oh Jesus, oh Lord, oh Jesus. I'm gonna say defense, just Adam and Eve us, there's no debate on who's better, come on, I'm turning out to go like Bruce, till I shout down the doors like, know the doors like, I be the one they love, I be the dog, they know where I'm from, oh 1 to the 2 1, you're veteran, where your airline gone, I can't believe it, I can't believe it, cheek, some girls wake up and don't even brush their teeth, that's a dead thing. That's a bad grafted. How could you call my name and you ain't even brush your teeth? Brush your teeth, 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 brush your teeth. While smoking a TikTok, you got a pop belly like Rick Ross.
We're gonna check them out after the stream and see if I can play them. I played around with Lady Assure, so I know I can play it. So I'm gonna check out those, then see if I can play them on live. Just say I'm walking the borderline of YouTube right now. Yeah, man, hear enough of you now, so Some next time. Steam is blazing. I wanna be. So it's at that 2 hour marker. We've been streaming for 2 hours. So best up to everyone. Much love for those who placed their bids for the chalices. Much love to everyone out there. As said, in the link below, in the description below, is the links to the bamboo chalices. These babies right here, we got them in large, small, medium, and with that they're painted on. They come with 5 bamboo rolling tips, a bamboo ashtray. It's basically going to be a 3-in-1, a bong, a vaporizer, and with the adjustments that I'm going to make, since I now know the proper size for the bangers, I'm gonna get that shaven down, and you're gonna be able to dab out of it. So it's an organic, natural thing. So get your dibs on, get your bids on, get one. It's a really nice thing to have. You're gonna get stickers with them, and also as a gift, I'm gonna give away souvenir Jamaican seeds. It's gonna be a mixture of seeds. I don't know the strains because they've been mixed up. It's some skunk mixed with some white ice mixed with a lot of stuff. So I just give those away as souvenirs. So get one. Have a great Christmas with it. I'm here already high off of it, and I haven't been puffing too hard. So yo, a nice thing to have. Best up from Jamaica. Much love to everyone. Gonna hop off for a bit, regenerate myself, and basically get ready for Ben's live. So I'll be on Ben's stream. So tell everyone on Ben's stream the auction continues. Ben's 420 stream. So who don't know, get to know Ben Inya. At Ben Inya's live stream, I'll be on, continuing the auction, getting the chalices out, getting the seeds prepared, getting a lot of stuff ready for this auction. Much love to everyone and best out from Jamaica.